Yo, I shall form motion, baby, I was in the I am my joke. Yes, a numeric, and I know the Abeshi, yes, I interview. And interview in Ankazana, yeah. Men can then I say, Hong Afra, and then yes, because I needed a win, yeah. Say, was say, yes, interview. Believe me that in some baby in a crew. So, news endorse, and then we are here to clarify everything. And but you fetch me if say interview we won't say I'm being too straight because interview we meant to change them. I'll go straight. Yeah, be a straight. Now yeah, sorry so. There I will be able to me follow you what Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. The pod GH Facebook, the pod GH Instagram, the pod _ GH, and no TikTok. And our YouTube also the same thing, the pod _ GH. And then and second and baby young honorable Mark Williams, Bravo, Obama Mponga, assembly member for the good people of Assembly Room. And I say MPP for 2 constituency election. Or contest youth organizer. Now so say on went to my faculty and young kwan. And I say one and our when I young kwan and went to me I am when I young kwan. And I say one and what a buane di guan or guanason and went to me a man and di guapa and then went to me a young kwan pa and then you baby saying now honorable Mark Williams Bravo and then Yamawajo everybody put media network.
Yo, did you so many abem?
Now, Bibi Aboko.
Yamiadum, it's in come among
okay. No mestre uncle back to the pot. Everyone's a introduction.
Sure.
Honorable Material Grafo. MPP told about air constituency elections. Sunday o contest youth organizer.
Sure.
Now so senior MP for Becano Anfa.
Sure.
Anfa.
Sure.
I came Monday, I think I'm not paid.
So
I came to office and you were wearing white. And I was like, no, we are walk about to our was what's the nation white? Monday. Why were you wearing white?
Oh, Michelle Fita because we've won. We didn't
with you and
who? Many maso kwapon. Nyame in the contesting, so we need. Me Lucy. And you have to wear white. Na me no jubilate. Because we're doing this together.
If you come
from my own heart.
Why?
He was the first person I made friend with, you know. And I posted him. And I did everything I have to supposed to do just to celebrate with him. That is me. And that is my side of politics. We are not enemies. Obeka no cry doing young preparation, we were doing everything together. In fact, me mankoboni din boni wo baby, man kasenti an wo baby. Yeshia all the otike mukrana ojina obichia meso metike ijia. So that vibe was there.
Okay.
Nti we contesting, we're not enemies. Nti when we I have to wear white, celebrate, that victory with him. And let me take this opportunity to appreciate and then wish him say Nyamiadum Yetu Sana Moi. Victory went on his side. And Mr. Rade said Egwana wakwa kofano. Rade man nyansa ni nimdie. Me amodinga obetumi die agina. Zam say yeni swade hunu ye ba akope. Say 2028-2029. Nyankopon ya adomwa. Yebe pija Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia said the President of the Republic of Ghana. Na ni nyina agina dwuma ye ba beye ewo grassroots no base hono na edinkunimdi aba. Nti Mr. Rade se onko so ama no sa ahoɔden no se ne be ya yebetumi ayese adwuma no. Nti from my heart makuma mi bibia I wish him well. Yeah.
Let me ask it this way. Since time after Sunday no.
Yeah.
Sunday na friend na addition.
Monday anopa anopa on the first person I'm a friend na me wish no me wie no na me posting no me status share no all my social media platforms.
From there wafrel.
Oh yeah, to me nkasa I say FA na ototo to 1 or 2 things.
I'll go straight to you. Say I know. Ebi on mpemfu kodim komo no work as no. Say looking at how things when you bravo say with deputy.
Oh. Well, whichever way ebebe bia no. Adwuma na na yepese yeye. Enti we are in. Me de say one man me deputy o, so one man me deputy o. Maka makumum say me de mo abo afore ama party no. Enti adwuma bia we say me ye de boa bia me ye de aboa. And from chairman to the last person who matters in the party, framing ne say yenkwa so one man position beyond. I am going to work.
Are you waiting to be called on before you work, or you have plans? Say even if opaying beyond framing me as because me mati wo kom say no what when you say no we were friend obe be atenana wa assemblyman abehwe no wa say
no kind of boy. I was having my plans. I said it somewhere. There was a question I call rounds no mbisa me. Saying to say abano menya my ready say me buanana, and I said it. Say me wo me plans e wo ho and ono so wo ne plans. Say bi say me na be kwa ama me ordinate no be ba bua. Say means ono so na be kwa ama no a me so me de be kwa akobua. Nti me rebo modern say say ye to abani wi no na niema bibiri akoso. Mesre say ahoden beba enyemanim he ya me personally me kon ho na me de me enisuade hu na me de toto ho no e de akwa kire nso. This were some of the plans me wo ewo ho nti o ma yenhwe no kwan be fa so a ye bitumi aka bom ne tumi aye de abo ono so mfa ne de no ka ho. You know, I want to tell you say ene of framing say kodi juma we man in the constituency I'll go.
Are you pained by your loss?
You see, I just want to be, loyal and faithful to my words. Me and Swadi huna media politics. I just want to be faithful and loyal to it. You are not my target. My target is that my party wins. Any opportunity bia ebebe bia bituma aboa ma me party na win no eno na me to banamo. Oh bia you might think negatively, but everything about me is positive. Opa bra with your agenda, no, everything about me is positive. Enti ni ameye bia me de beboa bia me de beboa. Ekwapem of constituency. Me de beboa and na me kano nka Sunday say FIFA World Cup. Okay, so this Sunday.
Yeah.
Final match can you are those.
The pod.
Oh, okay.
Final match can you are those. Now so men paying in the market says every election into minya abotre. So bibia wo hu say me ye bia nsem bia mo hu say me ka bia promises bia me ye bia no maintain na ye ebeye adwuma. Ye de be sa ha de abo afi kura na ye ba be intensify ye be ton party no ye be win so spa de am party no. I'm not giving up.
You've invested your time, money, energy in campaigning. I was witness. I was privileged to be a witness to some of the rounds some of the spendings. Uska kuma bokasa esra. Will you still invest money in a party?
Oh yes. As a politician, I nyamiado me na shasi. See ye give up here. Near ye will be an see the boy, ye the embrace, ye the resources, ye the wanting, ebe boy. Na mekan me vision say 2029. Dr. Mahmoud Baumi, NPP Besaya Babe. Nti ye be at the boy craping of constituency. Ye be the abo. And I mekan me ye bi as a melusu nti nkotena fie na ma aboka nti nkotena fie say bi apart from be a sika wunni no wan hoden so betumi aye biribi yen konkoso yen konwa akra yen koprepra yen kohihye nkuma yen koyese ni nyina to support the party, and Willie is ready to move. I'm ready to move.
Moto abanu you know what MP nka
maintain nka mena I was a make on ho but unze up and down in your identity unyama hopefully mere say we can see me kwa I have to.
There were some conversations said there were some positions in the party and Penfishia say oh if we are two-man contest one should step down not back on corner back on any deputy. Did that happen in your case?
No. I was rather encouraged to work hard by the MP. I was rather encouraged to work hard. There wasn't any day be a Michi MP or James Willie step down, but rather encouraging me to do what I'm doing. And there was a time on in Kraka James on also called election say ya no kom na adwuma na yedin nti menyere me ho ebefa me personally no me nya sa adwene no wo meeting anaze me
what
oh nkrofo na e kan ba
what
mate but abano obi anto antiam abano nso obi ato maami but me obi ato
mba asem na wo kan
yo
track it back
yo
move slowly
yeah
abana what we
obi anto antiam
okay
obi ato maami
okay
na nso me wini
how
nze obi enu abekwa akobisa na woka jose me tutia obi abeka jose oto ma so abatu wonsunso anso ebi na yen hui mimi hunu say delegate wanted me to stay behind and learn, so I'm in a learning process. I have to follow one or two things. Let me dey suade ni bremu no they will lift me up.
Obi share mo krom amra woto abane ya think somewhere TV
yeah
and as some of catch me ne say what say mamponfo wa kromfo e work it out because and the person conversation it was I think about 7 minutes conversation. The person was able to give me data.
Okay.
To show say when the counting was going on, I was there. Me share baby who opponent counting start fee. Now me share time I'm on photo aba. And I was like, okay, maybe this might be a theory bia as a where they get to be there too. But I sat back and I was like, I said, yeah, point I said, onim ni oka.
You what say after election no niema bibire koso you try say adentina we yanko yi na ma we tuti am na say me you be a metumi di mani asan say okoye no kra akoto ma personally minimum krofo a minimum say wo kwa wo betu atiam but ma fa no say wo koye wo to ma ndi say we
betu atiam wa we mampon okay
wo betu atiam
okay
even say ye mampon kran so other towns na minimum krofo a minimum say no mo ni side but personally me ma fa no say adaka ni mo they voted for me. So I'm taking it say decision and a delegated taking. This time around, they wanted me to stay behind and learn, and I have accepted it. You have co-election, but after election, there should be a result, and the result was that there was a mistake back. Fair enough. Very good. Inti whichever way the outcome no buy no ma accept it misua de ye kɔ yɛn anim but give time some time
obi a woni obetumi a support it.
Oh yeah.
Yes, no one is obligated to support someone.
Yeah.
There be no. Because even on a higher scale, former vice president ne yere, vice president yere MPP ba ne yere, ninia, NDC Aburam, Ramadan, Madina MP. So it happens.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
But on the grounds, as I said, obi a won obetuma support. Me hu Mamponfo clearly they were clearly against you. Yes. They were clearly against you.
They
were clearly against you.
Me who say because Mamponfo di line ma okwa akoto aba. Who say me see fema me ko chichi awo. I saw that Omaye ready say wakoto aba no di ama. Me ko chichi awo ni ade. I remember me miata kura akoto nsu say honorable nsu a ode mamuni. You know, nti menhu actions bi e kire say wakoto aba na tia me ana bibiza. Say na me ka say ye ni adaka nim. Nti wo de me ma afa no say obi ato man na emu kona nko yi amfa man. And nso no eye position says here ye de mercy no. I'm okay with it.
Assembly nam krum.
Yo.
Na mame mfa mo wani.
Yo.
Let me see how you go about it.
Yo.
I saw, as I said, I saw at least 3. And obi abetuma supporting us.
Yeah.
And question onipa obi bisa me say, these people who didn't support nkwofu a wan support Mamponi on constituency election. Say general elections do. No ko jina Mamponi anim kasi. Samye Oku ya Mamponi into ya Mamponi. You need to support Samye Oku. Say panel. How should we see that person? Because these are the same people that will come to you say you need to support Samye Oku because Samye Oku ya Mamponi and we are Mamponi they also support Samye Oku. But these are the same people flip the coin. One year Mamponi is contesting the constituency election and they are very glad and very bold to work against that person and like all is well.
You know, from where you are coming from, me, I don't see Mampong full delegates working against me. Namekan. One of
Are you trying to be a gentleman? No, just say.
No. See, younger dream. Nyawo dream wo witimu.
Yes.
Enye no na me dream wo witimu.
Okay.
Na abato ye biribia personal personal decision na onipa no ekwa akoteki no matter ne akoso one nsem a waka kire no nneoma ahodo a wode ama ni nyina ano decision obeteki no odu adaka ni ma na obekire ni decision obeteki wo ni hobi.
Okay.
Nti whichever way ekwa bia no emra woto aba na me ni hobi.
Okay.
Nti mempese mekase bia Mamponfo kwa ene ye nsem bia mo matete wo grounds because of where juma wo ye ni adenti. Nti ni awo kan no de ene ni ye ni awo hu ni awate. But me in particular no, as a politician, I just want to accept whatever the outcome. Na me hu asiesie no yi. Wo ye den a wo benya bi wo wo kuroma. They will be against.
Have you lost hope in Mampong?
Hope. I'm still me Mamponi. You know, abana ya to no. Me pese me di bibia be she me mu ana.
Are you real? Are you being real with me or you are just trying to be
I'm real, Kofi. Ya to abani bi Sunday no.
Now.
Obi suma ese as at 11 womra mehwe say metiden ana wo ba na me nuanu mote wa ye boye nkomo aye serew ye je say ohun say ye to aban wi na ade no ashoke me ma se bi as metwa hwe ozi ma edin but wo ba no na we were yeserew ye di nkomo ni ade anopa and the anopa me sorry me be adwuma ni ye say ni ye bia na me ye enti I've been me after the election.
People who clearly worked against you after elections, what you think?
My friend.
Then I
My friend. My friend will be a me candidate winning na my friend be a say me nuanum be a Lucy ebi na me say your kind but will be a same test will be a message say me friend be a same me I've done it. I'm okay. If in Yankopon yard my next week, ye busy fair. Na say mbra ye call 101. It was say me could be as do be as baby say me fe be adu be as biano. Me kon ho apa for than as woni mo a wodi aboa ye me abedru some way. And life must go on.
Don't be diplomatic with me. Who opponent and did you ever get a chance to know one or two of his campaign messages? So there's no need lying now.
Oh yes.
Do you know?
Who's that?
Anahu TB.
Oh, say yeah TB. Yeah TB.
Okay. Inti make us butu a two na betumi abo.
Oh.
Another make us no. I wanted you to mention it for listeners to decipher for themselves whether a good or average. But let's not go there. Let's not go there.
Okay.
Do you think a Kwapim North constituency, MPP, coming election, Muganse solid?
We are solid. We are very solid. From the chairman to the last person, we are solid. In fact, me were strong hope. Our executives are power, and they are going to work massively. They are going to work. We are going to support them to work. In the younger year, working, we be in Koya, ye flow actually be me say. Now, didn't kasa ye nyama won Koya 1 year. We are going to support them. In the be a ye fra oh. Ejuma be na eho amopese ye mu amonkoye na yeso ye de hu agimbi 101 ye de hu begimbi and isan say me free youth ni ntino ho me ni youth no me catch no I'm ever ready why crowd so be suma me baby dwuma di bi opese me di bua no na youth wing no etumi konenimu me ye de aboa and trust me you know I'll do that me peso onya bere NCC ni ema 1212 na me nkono ho ene ni nkodi nkomo me mfa me ni so ade hu na me wo enso emfa ma no no hwe ni ebeboa no na yenkoye no I'm ever ready to support him
ya kan ya fem kakra nche bia ye de nkomo no besi some komo we me do election grounds and I was na me hwerim and I asked myself one question and I will ask you that same question. Sure. Don't be hypocritical. I want you to be real. At this point in Ghana's political terrain, Ghana's political run, a Kwapim North political run, do you think someone can contest Samuel Kunde's coming? We offend the constituency, a parliamentary primary.
So can somebody can obibi to me? Abe contesting, but that person shouldn't try. This time around, you know, Obia be to me abe contesting Samuel. Why not? So when you have the capacity and the capability, Obi to me abe. But Oba be no one.
Don't just throw it in. Would everyone win? Masabe di would ya yen behwie. Ah well dear, say me nim say na ye fruit. E bia ye funya di. Unya ye papa mama.
Me nye ni say Ekuapem North give up on Honorable Samuel for Nedma Beye first term. We need him to continue. And so be beba on train Honorable Kwa Noaba. We to have a contestant, but be ana sending our can Adriano be dim so. Be an one me because the man has supported us. The man has supported the Ekuapem North constituency. Papa no born who modern wo amemu emu. And yenya nipa bi to say ya. Incident na you give it up on him. We should rather pray for him. We should rather throw our support behind him. We should rather work for him. Inti obi beba but obi otie mi awa ye krado so person ba no. Onya abotre man because ni aye wo mu ni yenwie ye ne papa ni wia na ofoforo aba na nso nya so wahwe na emu so obi wo ho no pese obe contest for Ekuapem North constituency parliamentary seat na sabri na wo se oba na obe bo Honorable Samuel. Okay, you should come and throw your support behind him. Let us support him na ni ensuade hunu ni nyina no ewie peye na se dachi bi owie no kwa onso ye hunu se emra na Honorable Samuel na wo ho nti ye to me this opportunity nso ama na mum se we yi wuti wa ma meboa no na mum okwa ebeye dini because this in Ekuapem North ye dani Ekuapem North nani in a different way cra and ogusua OCC in kakra
2 years under the reign of NDC. In a short form, what would you have said? Dollar. Just say,
Kofi, me no kasa. Me say anytime biya obishem biya. Me a real. Me say nye. Ana eyema.
Me na me bisa wa say to me now.
Na me say nye. Na nye biyo wa den biyo na pese. Den nye. Their policies. Enye. Everything. Bibi Kofi enyo. Ekuapem North pa wo de Ekuapem North then nyae. Bade ba ko. NDC buy Ekuapem North why
24-hour market.
Ewe
kopon say we wa clear.
Oh major. Enye dan be why then 24 there view ade bel no why ye. Ade ba ko one thing in Ekuapem North NDC buy why.
It's a process.
Kofi man miss out. One thing bade ba ko NDC buy Ekuapem North why what the bob back with you.
Okay. Honorable. I think going for you. One just over baby one as say the one baby at na wash.
When we get there cross. Ejuma o where was say me. Na me adum ye wi elections in so. Me adum we can see street lights ni adibia ewu me kwa kohwehwe aboboli nyina afi ho. Efi senior mekan the public toilet and inner rooms yehwe na yi kapes no na efi nya shase so edwuma na mpese mi wie election na efi yen shase so hopefully next week ekono many wo hopa ayebehwe aye ho edwuma na fi mo one bridge bi nso ese me ye wo piafo.
Okay, yeah.
Tie no so we are not giving up. We are still working. But when election day next year, when we get there, we'll cross whichever way it is. I'm because I'm not of myself. I can be managed. So when we get there, we'll see what we can do.
In 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes, what will you tell your followers? What would you tell your followers? What would you tell delegates or support like what would you tell everyone? What would you tell? But your better share camera need kasa chere won share camera.
That's my fa akwanya we so na mina the port ahwefo etiefo asese enen do fanso when ya bre edehwe nia edikan mefa akwanya we so na mada Honorable Sami Ewuku MP for Ekuapem North constituency. Papa, I salute you. me fa akwanya we so na mada Equatorial North constituency delegate nyina ni NPP fu nyina ase ne massive supporter wode amayen nko a obia o contest bia no the massive supporter wode amayen ma me fa akwanya we so na me we si menua no mu a nyame ye o madom na we need this election from chairman to communication mede obi bia ase mo so mo adwuma pa ma hoɔden a mo ye ede boa ye ne tumi no ababedi mo nse menua no mo anko yi amam so ne ye ka no se yesiesie ye ho yi yensuade ye mmoa won a enya akwanya no na ebre no so a onyankopɔn behye ne ho anumunyam to the good people of Mampong medamase the good people of Latte Tinkong Kwamoso Adoso Tekwanta Kebu Mengase Okrase everywhere there bia medo bibia ase ye ba mo nanso moje me felso moje modoso ye koto aba no so no moye mane ye fe me amhwe vote no nya ya edi ho adanse say I was well received. I thank you so much. I appreciate it so much. Obi bia otiminka Ghana fa na nyina ni wiase nyina mo true mo support mo de mo mpaibo aka ho medamase na ewu mu say I have not given up. I'm still on grounds. I'm still on my feet. I am keeping the faith. And delegate wanted me to take this opportunity to learn. And I'm still in the learning process. Let us give ourselves time. Let us give time some time in the preparation process, in the learning process. And Nyankopon Yaduma will get there. Mama yina yemfa ya hoɔden yemfa yemmoa NPP amanyo krono na woni mi bedi adanse na yibehim franka Nyankopɔn ya adoma 2029 emra Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia abeye the president of the Republic of Ghana. Nyamisha mudina. Thank you very much.
Yo honorable yedawase enti ahwefo ba bia wa ahwe bia yedawase say o join yen me best o come across interview here. Now I like and well leave a comment. Now I share comment. No sooner living respectably. Sine be ya new shares on also no come better them. That was say that's a ne ebeshia abena binya the pod and making sure say sine TV ano make people updated. I want your course be aso.